Hey Healthy Hair Masters, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamika, your online hair care educator. And if you want to be educated on how to care for and grow your hair, you've come to the right place. And today, listen, we are about to talk about something I know has been driving you crazy. You're doing all the things and your hair still isn't growing. Let's fix that today. Here are 7 surprising reasons your hair isn't growing and exactly what to do about it. Reason 1, you're mistaking breakage for lack of growth. Your hair is growing, but it's breaking just as fast. So you're not seeing any progress because the ends are constantly snapping off. So what do you need to do? Focus on length retention. That means deep conditioning, gentle detangling, and using protective styles wisely. So my go-to is my Lengthy Strands Mega Moisture Deep Penetrating Conditioner. It's a must if your ends are dry, brittle, and breaking off. I'll put the information down below. Reason 2, your scalp is suffocating. Let me say this, if your scalp is full of buildup, clogged follicles, or flaking, it's like trying to grow flowers in concrete. So what do you need to do? Exfoliate your scalp. Use scalp massages, clarifying treatments, and nourishing oils to stimulate growth. A good growth oil and regular scalp massage can literally change the game. I actually have added a growth oil to my line of products, so go check it out. Reason 3, you're not being consistent. You deep condition once every 3 weeks, you sleep with a bonnet sometimes, and skip important steps on your wash day. That's not going to cut it. So what do you need to do? You need to create a simple, realistic routine and stick to it. Growth comes from consistency, not perfection. Reason number 4, heat damage is holding you back. If you're consistently using heat without protection, you could be frying your strands into split ends and stunted growth. So what do you need to do? Limit heat. Use a heat protectant and learn how to safely straighten if you choose to. And if you need help with that, we teach that in the Hair Mastery Academy. Reason number 5, you're not moisturizing the right way. Spraying water on your hair and walking out the door isn't moisturizing. Using heavy oils on dry hair isn't moisturizing either. While there are some oils that absorb and nourish the strands, there are also many that don't. What to do? Use the LOC or LCO method with water-based products first. Lock it in with a butter or oil that actually seal moisture. The Lengthy Strands Multi-Use Hair Oil is perfect for this step. Reason number 6, your protective styles are actually harmful. Just because it's a protective style doesn't mean it's actually protecting your hair. If it's too tight, too heavy, or kept in too long, is causing more harm than good. I can't stress that enough. So what do you need to do? Make sure styles aren't pulling your edges and always prep your hair properly before installing anything. Reason number 7, you've given up too soon. Hair growth is a journey, not a 30-day challenge. A lot of people give up right before the breakthrough. Don't quit on your crown. So what do you need to do? Track your progress, celebrate the small wins, and trust the process. You've got this. So now you know the real reasons your hair might not be growing, but which one of these hit home the most? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear from you. And if you're ready to stop guessing and finally grow the healthy, thriving hair you've been praying for, then it's time to join my 14-day hair growth bootcamp. Inside, I'll walk you step by step through the exact routine, products, and mindset shifts you need to finally see progress. This isn't just information, it's transformation. Tap the link in the description to join us. Your hair growth journey starts now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a hair truth bomb. See you inside the boot camp, Healthy Hair Master. Keep caring, keep growing, and God bless. Love you. Bye.